Over the past few weeks, I've been talking about difficult conversation. In fact, that's what this channel is about. But what happens after the conversation? That's what I want to get into today. I'm Dawn, and this is Have That Talk. So you've just had a hard conversation. You've had to give some difficult feedback. You've had to communicate some bad news, or you've had to tell somebody that their promotion has been declined. And then the next Monday morning, the next project briefing, the next one-on-one meeting, you have to continue working with this person. And it might feel a bit awkward because neither of you really know whether you're back on the same page, whether you're realigned, or how deep the damage to the relationship was, and whether you're back on track. And this uncertainty is normal because it means that you're both navigating two sides of the river and are looking for ways to reconnect. And while the difficult conversation has already been had, there's still tension as you try to find ways to bridge the gap. And this takes time, exploration, uncertainty, and a little bit of awkwardness as you navigate that path. So just embrace the awkwardness as part of the process. You're still trying to find your way to each other. You're still trying to rebuild trust. So if you bump into each other at the coffee machine, good morning. How are you? Good morning. Do you want a coffee? Oh no, I'm having tea, thanks. See you in the meeting. Just those little low-key moments can help to reconnect. And in the team meeting, you don't need to be overly friendly or make a big deal of it. Just embrace the awkwardness and normalize it. And this isn't necessarily the moment to ask, is everything okay between us? Are we good? Are you still my friend? Unless, of course, you're doing it in a jokey way and you want to lighten the mood. But otherwise, there's no need to bring that ghost of the past conversation back into the present. It's past, it's done, and even though it's a little bit tense or awkward, the direction is forward, future focused. And because the hard conversation was about a change in behavior, a change in circumstances, or a change in the relationship, give it time to settle and for things to knit back together again. Also keep your expectations at a level setting because there may be moments where the conversation needs to be had again. The change is a process, not a switch. And the repair is something that happens in increments. So be patient, be tolerant, be kind after you've had that talk. Okay? I'll see you next time.